Serene, private 3.08 air conditioner wooded lot in a maintenance-free brick, little vinyl details, construction home. A convenient location only 20 minutes to Turkey Creek, West Knox, or Oak Ridge. Drive across a small creek up the poured concrete driveway to this one-level 2,700 square foot home. Featuring 3 bdrms, 2 half baths, 3-car garage, HWD floors throughout, tiles in the kitchen and wet areas. No carpet. 9 ceilings throughout, vaulted ceiling in living room, a dedicated office, oil-rubbed bronze faucets and handles in kitchen and baths, Frigidaire stainless appliances. Master features his and hers walk-in closets, freestanding white tub and walk-in shower. Covered front porch is 32 feet long with 3/4 beveled glass double door, tall crawl with poured concrete, great for workshop of storage. Move in now.